Welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about default filter in CDS views. So quickly, let us create one CDS view. Let me give the description as CDS view with the default filter. Okay, now our CDS view is ready. Let me quickly fetch the data from VBAK. And I will be doing association with KNA1. And I'm getting the data from VBAK, VBLN. So this is the CDS view. We already know how to create and how to form the association and the meaning of association. Now I will do with the default filter. Basically what it is means, it will act as a extended join on condition whatever we are mentioning in our association. How we have to do is, with if you do control space you will get the options. I'm just giving the tab so that it will come, and I am doing as I'm doing that association on the I'm doing that putting that condition on this KNA1. Let me take some field. Let me take the country. I believe it is land 1. I am making it as US. So what I am telling is, while doing the association we are putting some condition. On that extension of that condition we are mentioning this land 1 should be US of the KNA1 table. Let me go to this KNA1 table and see the values. Yeah, land 1 US we have. Let me check for the distinct values. Okay, we have DE, Mexican and all other things. So this default filter will be automatically applied when you are executing this CDS view. This is the use of default filter. If you are doing any filter on the path expression of your association, then it will take the precedence first and default filter will be the secondary one. So let us check how it is behaving, whether we are getting the data correctly or not. For that, let us fetch the data from the land one also. Okay, my view is activated now. Okay, We don't have any entry. Let us try keeping this one commented and check if we have any entry. Okay, we have the data, but with the land one as US, we don't have the data. That's why it doesn't retrieve anything. Let us see the distinct values here. CAINBE. Okay, so let us change the default filter to some other value. Let me keep it as IN. Okay, let us run how many entries we will get and whether the data is coming or not. Okay, now we got the data because with IN we have some entries. So our default filter is working now. So let us do one thing. Let us try adding the where condition also, whether it will work if we are doing the where condition or not, how it will act. Let me put where condition with some other different value. Let us keep the where condition as DE or else GB we can put. Okay, now we have the default filter and we have the where condition also. Let us see how it will behave now. Let us run the CDS view. Okay, no rows retrieved. We don't have the data with ZB. So since we don't have any entry with land one as ZB, we have not got any data. But before we are getting data for land one as India. So this is how the default filter works. If you are writing the where condition, your default filter won't have any value. The where condition will take the priority and it will be executed and default filter doesn't work. And if you are working with putting the condition on your associations in your path expressions, then that will be your first precedent and the default filter will be of the next precedence. These are the things you have to keep on mind while working with the default filter. And one more thing I would like to share with you in this video is here we are using the tables, database tables VBAK and KNA1, but it is recommended to use the corresponding released views instead of this database tables. How to get the particular views for the corresponding table is just to do control click. So it will be navigating to the corresponding view of your. This is the CDS view which is created for this particular table. After going to this, what you have to do is you have to go to window, show view and other. In that other, search for the properties. Here it is Just double click on that one, and we have some info here, description and original system, some data, and click on API state. This is the view which is recommended to use instead of your database table VBAK. So we have to use this I_sales document, and this view has all the fields whatever VBAK consists. So this is one of the point I would like to share with you. Hope this content is useful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more useful content.